Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dina Julianti. I'm from class regular Naik Banjarmasin. I want to tell about the use of extensive reading in teaching reading from Raihani Perdila, Department of English Education, Indonesia University of Education. Triangulation technique was used in collecting the data. In this study, triangulation combines the strengths of one type of method and neutralizes the weakness of the other. Criswell 2012. Accordingly, there were three instruments in collecting the data in this study. First, classroom; two, second, observation; and third, questionnaire interview. The study was conducted in one of the public junior high school in Bandung. The participants were 36 students of second grade. Classroom observation were held for 4 meetings. Observation, sit and field notes were utilized to record notes about participants' behavior and performance during the observation. Criswell 2012. The observation sheet was not utilized in the first meeting because there was no any follow-up activity related to extensive reading in the first meeting. The teacher just simply gave assessment related to extensive reading, which were reading homework and completing reading journal. The follow-up activities in the classroom include group discussion related to the text, sharing about the text, and reading aloud favorite part of the text. In the process, the teacher provides some text to be chosen by students as their reading homework. After the implementation of extensive reading, the closed-end and open-end questionnaires were distributed to the students. In interpreting the students' score of closed-end questionnaire, the interval score of questionnaire was developed. Sugiono 2012. As the last step, some students were interviewed to clarify the findings. Findings from observation. The finding from the observation shows that most students seem to enjoy doing the reading homework. The students chose the text to be read at home enthusiastically and also shared about their experience in reading the text passionately. The findings is in line with statement of Day and Bamford 2004 that students take pleasure in extensive reading program because they can choose what they want to read. This meaning that gives a free choice of topic in reading is important. From the from the result of observation, it can be seen that students' perspective toward reading was starting to change into a positive way. The findings also reveals that the students seem to enjoy follow-up activities related to extensive reading in the classroom because they had read the material before so that they could follow the classroom activities well. The reason for selecting group discussion is as it suggests. Students should be involved in group discussion where critical readers and learners are more likely to happen. Students engage in daily discussions about what they read. The data shows that the students participate actively in the group discussion to discuss and answer the question related to text, since they could discuss and verify their understanding of the text that they had read in the group discussion. In sharing the result from group discussion, during the observation, the students shared it passionately. This was because they had group discussion before about the text. The students encouraged sharing what they acquired from their group discussion because they had read the text before and they also had group discussion related to the text. This suggests that several benefits from repeat reading exposure are more positive attitudes toward readings, increased reading time, and more active in class participants. During the sharing process, almost all of the students raised their hand. Research with this since 2008 states that by involving students in the cooperative reading test, they might feel empowered to break out of the cycle of failure in reading and find themselves capable in reading and sharing with other learners. Since 2008, in the reading aloud session, the students were asked to read aloud their favorite parts of the text and to share the reason why they like that part. Hermer 2007 affirmed that yet reading a lot of a particularly exciting or interesting excerpt can be extreme, motivating, and enjoyable for a class. The data show some students who were indicated as motivated students wanted to read aloud their favorite part in every meeting, although they had reading it in the previous meeting since they had confessed it before. What the teacher did was to give an opportunity to other students to participate in the session. The teacher gave the opportunity first to students who had not read their favorite part. After that, the teacher gave opportunity to motivate students. Regard with this action, teacher need to remind students motivation and create motivation in students gradually if there is none. The findings from questionnaire, the result from the class and questionnaire also supported the finding from the observation. Some questions in the class and this questionnaire were related to the benefits of extensive reading. See appendix. The finding shows that most students agreed with the statements that extensive reading helped them in developing a wide vocabulary, improving their reading comprehension, encouraging them in sharing the information from the text they have read, and increasing their motivating in reading. The findings were in accordance with one of the principles in teaching reading, which is proposed by Sweet 2000, that an effective reading instruction can develop engaged readers who are knowledgeable, strategy socially interactive, and motivated. The result from open-end statement, moreover, also confirmed the result from closed-end questionnaire. The data analysis of the first question in this questionnaire, which was about benefits they obtained after the implementation of extensive reading. In general, the data analysis shows that benefits gained by the students were acquiring new vocabulary, enjoying reading more, and being motivated to read English. The next related question was whether their motivation in reading increased after the use of extensive reading. If they were motivated, what the reason was, and vice versa. 28 students answered that they were motivated to reading, while 8 students answered that they were fairly motivated, whereas for the reason why they were motivated and fairly motivated to reading English in general were because the texts were interesting, Learning method and activities were enjoyable. There was reading homework and a reading journal, and there was an opportunity to know English more. Findings from interview. The aforementioned findings were supported by the data from the students' interviews. Based on the data, the students perceived several benefits from the use of extensive reading. The extracts below are some examples of benefits perceived by the students. The benefits are my vocabularies get richer, and what is it I'm attentive in reading because I could get a lot of chance to in reading from student 2 and from student 8 whom I was motivated to reading English text. I understand more and I enjoy group work. The students' answer above indicate that in general benefits perceived by the students who were enjoying English more, being motivated to reading English, increasing reading comprehension, enjoying group discussion. These findings suggest that students were happy to be involved in the AIR program. Neither their views on learning English nor their attitudes toward reading were improved. Conclusion. This study focused on the use of extensive reading technique in teaching reading. The aim of this study was to find out benefits of using extensive reading in teaching reading. Furthermore, this study also aimed to investigate to students' attitudes toward the technique. The students found that extensive reading was beneficial in teaching reading. Extensive reading helped the students to build perspective that reading is a fascinating activity. In line with this, the students' motivation in reading also increased after the implementation of extensive reading. Moreover, extensive reading helps teachers to create enjoyable atmosphere in learning. In relation to teaching reading, extensive reading helps the students in developing a wide vocabulary and improving their reading comprehension. In addition, most students had positive attitudes toward the use of extensive reading in their reading class. This was supported by the result of the close-end questionnaires that the students' attitudes toward extensive reading were positive or favorable. The result from the observation and interview also support this finding. The other research finding recognized a problem that might prevent the benefits of extensive reading if it was not averted. The problem was there were several students who did not complete the reading journal fully. However, the problem may be averted as teachers can create better instructional design. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.